Hi friends, happy Monday. The first thing we're going to do today is talk about some sunflowers. Mmm, delicious. Smells great. Yesterday, me and Miss Liz went on a long walk in the neighborhood, and as we were walking, we found some sunflowers. I found a sunflower that was really big, and Miss Liz found a sunflower that was really big, but when we got here, we realized that we needed to measure them to find out which thing we should put it in. Should we put it in a small cup, a larger jar? We weren't sure. So we had to do some measuring. And here's what we found out. First, we found out that Miss Liz's sunflower was shorter than Miss McIntyre's. Then we found out that Miss Liz's sunflower was exactly 15 centimeters tall. So the question was, how tall was Miss McIntyre's? So I wrote L for Liz and M for McIntyre. So let's talk about Miss Liz's first. All that we know about it is that it's shorter than Miss McIntyre's. So I'm going to write down here shorter. And we know that it's 15 centimeters tall. So that gives us a huge clue that it's 15 centimeters tall. And then it says, how tall is Miss McIntyre's sunflower? Well, I know that if Miss Liz's sunflower is 9 centimeters shorter than Miss McIntyre's, that Miss McIntyre's must be 9 centimeters longer than Miss Liz's. Because I know that Miss McIntyre's is longer, so I have to figure out how much longer. And this is my little question mark right here. And I'm not sure how tall or long Miss McIntyre's sunflower is. So what I did just now is I lined it up like I've been doing. So now that I've lined it up, I can see that this length is the same as this length here. And since I know that the difference between the two sunflowers is 9 centimeters, I put it here. So I can easily see to find Miss McIntyre's sunflower length or height, I can add 15 and 9. When I add 15 and 9, I get 24. I want you to do something really similar that I just did. It's going to be a similar question with two different sunflowers, and pay very close attention to which flower is shorter and which flower is longer. You can do this on a whiteboard and marker or on a piece of paper and a pencil when you do the next question. Have fun!